Okay, so this is in reference to a problem from section 1.3, number 11, where you're asked to find how many gallons of water is leaking and then how much that would cost you. So I'm going to do an example where you've got 1 ounce leaking every minute. So the question is, how many gallons would that be in a year? Well, the first problem is it's going to be in ounces, so we will have to convert that to gallons, but we'll worry about that in a little bit. First of all, we got to get out of these minutes all the way over to the year. So we're going to do a lot of an hour. Then we times it by 24 to move it to 24 hours every day. So 60 times 24 gets us to 1440 ounces. We're still doing ounces, and we're in days now. And then to get to years, 365 for our years. I know it's not always exactly 365, but I believe the directions said go with that, and it works on this. So 1440 times 365. So it's just a bunch of multiply. You multiply by 60, by 24, and then by 365 to get it in ounces per year. Now, we want it out of ounces, and the directions tell us 228 ounces is the same as a gallon. So we need to divide that by 128 to convert it to gallons. So divide it, takes it down to a more reasonable number, 4,106.25 gallons per year. So that's the answer for A part, if you had 1 ounces. And B part says how much will that water cost if it's 9.87 cents per every 1,000 gallons of water used. So this is in pure gallons, but the ratio is per 1,000 gallons. So again, we need to divide that. So if it went every gallon, we would have been in trouble. It would have been a huge bill. But they divide it by 1,000 to work it down to 4.10625, and then charge you $9.87 per that. So we multiply $40.53 is your final answer. We'll talk more about why we converted the way we did later in the semester, so I wouldn't get too caught up in the conversion factors here, because that will be a later lesson, and this is about the only time you have to really convert units. I would say a while until towards the end of the semester. We'll do some more of that and talk deeper about it. All right, hope that helps.